Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, staring at the ceiling with one question weighing heavy on your chest? I've run my business with honesty, halal products, good intentions, maximum effort day and night. So, why? Why did it still fail? Why did it have to go bankrupt? Where did I go wrong? What is the mistake? That feeling, that deep, heart-wrenching confusion is profoundly human. It makes the world feel unfair. It makes us question our own competence, our decisions, and in our weakest moments. It even makes us question the fairness of our destiny. But today, I invite you to a different conversation. Before we sink deeper into that spiral of doubt, let us pause. Let us take a deep breath and let us shift our entire perspective. Let us examine this pain, this bankruptcy, not through the lens of worldly loss, but through the luminous lens of faith. In the journey of life, difficulty is not the exception. It is the rule. It is a guaranteed chapter in every story, not just in business. Look at daily life. Disagreements in partnerships, unexpected expenses, health challenges, plans that crumble. This friction is woven into the very fabric of our existence. It is normal. And these trials wear many masks. Sometimes it's harsh criticism from others. Sometimes it's the silent, crushing pressure of financial strain. And sometimes it takes the very tangible, devastating form of a business collapsing, of seeing something you built with your own hands and heart come to a standstill. Now, here lies the crucial understanding, the key we often misplace in our despair. To grasp it, let us contemplate two powerful images from the Qur'an, the radiant, hopeful light of Duha, and the profound, overwhelming darkness of a pitch-black night. Duha, that gentle morning sunlight that follows dawn. It is warm, it is soft, it promises a new beginning. This is the metaphor for every success, every ease, every moment of pure joy you have ever tasted. Can you remember it? That first major contract you signed, the feeling when a customer thanked you with genuine gratitude, the pride of creating something useful. Those were your personal moments of duha, glimpses of divine light on your path. At the other extreme, a pitch-dark night. This is not just any darkness. This is a darkness so complete, it is you cannot see your own hand in front of your face. You dare not take a step for fear of falling. This is the perfect metaphor for the bankruptcy experience. It is feeling utterly lost, directionless. It is staring at spreadsheets full of red numbers, an empty warehouse, a silent phone. It is the heavy, suffocating silence of a dream that seems to have ended. And here is the divine mystery. Allah, in His infinite wisdom, often swears by these two opposites in the Qur'an, by the brightness of day and the depth of night. Why? Because within this stark contrast lies a monumental promise and a profound lesson for those who reflect. Let us now apply this lens directly to our burning question: a halal business that still goes bankrupt. First, you must anchor your heart in this certainty. This bankruptcy is not evidence that Allah has abandoned you. Absolutely not. On the contrary, in this overwhelming darkness, when the noise of the world fades, Allah is inviting you to listen. He is creating the silence necessary for you to hear His guidance more clearly than ever. This dark night is not a punishment. It is a profound act of divine attention. Second, from this place of calm certainty, we can begin a clear-eyed evaluation. We must look at two distinct levels. At the level of worldly effort, this is a practical audit. Was our financial management truly disciplined? Or were there leaks we ignored? Was our marketing strategy aligned with the market? Or were we speaking a language our customers didn't understand? Did we scale too fast, mistaking momentum for stability? Mistakes here are lessons in skill and management. They are not a divine verdict stating that halal commerce is doomed. They are sunnatullah, the natural cause and effect laws of the material world. Then, we must courageously move to the deeper level, the spiritual level, the state of our connection with Allah. This is the core of the reflection. Perhaps, on the surface, our transactions were halal, but we must ask, what was the condition of the heart behind the business? Was our initial intention purely for His pleasure? Or was it secretly mixed with a desire for status, for praise, to prove ourselves to others? In the grind of daily operations, did we begin to neglect our prayers, our moments of remembrance? More crucially, are there any rights of others entangled in this failure? Unpaid salaries of loyal employees who trusted us, debts to suppliers we have yet to settle. This dark night can be a divine alarm clock, a merciful alert to wake us up to misalignments we were too busy to notice. Allah, in His perfect love, sometimes stops us on a path that, while halal in form, might be leading us away from Him in spirit. He closes one door to protect us from a greater loss and to prepare us for a better, more blessed door we cannot yet see. So, where do we go from here? What is the roadmap from this dark night towards a new dawn? Step 1 is radical acceptance, infused with gratitude. Yes, gratitude for the darkness. Acknowledge this as a direct communication from your Lord. Say with sincerity, Ya Allah, I accept this situation as a test from you. I may not understand it, but I trust you. Grant me the strength to endure it and the wisdom to learn from it. Step 2 is structured. Honest self-reflection. Set aside sacred time. Write it down. What specific mistakes were made in operations? What character flaws did this pressure reveal in me? Impatience? Poor communication. What is the universe trying to teach me through this experience? Document these lessons. They are now your most valuable assets. Step 3 is to redesign your future with faith as the blueprint. When you plan your comeback, let those hard-earned lessons be the foundation. Purify your intention anew. This time, I build for you alone. O Allah, weave acts of worship into the business model itself. Plan for zakat from the first profit. Make charity a fixed operational cost. Ensure every contract and partnership. Step 4 is to hold tightly to the divine promise. After the long, quiet night, the duha always comes. After hardship, there is ease. This is Allah's unchanging law, and the success that emerges from this, refined heart and wiser mind will carry a different quality. It will be meaningful. It will be infused with a deep, abiding sense of gratitude and divine blessing. But remember, the ultimate choice in life is not merely between wealth and poverty. It is a choice between a restless, anxious wealth that leaves the soul empty, and a contented, simple life overflowing with inner peace and divine approval. Choose the tranquility that comes from knowing, with unshakable certainty, that your Creator's plan for you is perfect. So, to you, my brother, my sister, navigating this dark night, I say this with all my heart. Do not surrender to despair. Do not waste your energy blaming fate or circumstance. See this instead as a sacred workshop, a divinely orchestrated period of refinement for your soul. This present failure is not the end of your story. It is quite possibly the essential, non-negotiable foundation for your true enduring success. A success that will nourish not just your bank account, but your soul, your family, and your legacy in the hereafter. Trust with every fiber of your being that behind this overwhelming difficulty, Allah is lovingly preparing something beautiful, something perfectly suited for the person you are becoming. Keep walking one step at a time. Walk with patient perseverance, and walk with complete trust in the one who holds all outcomes. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.